I have and love a beach tent from Gorich, so I'm thrilled they just gifted me this pop-up tent. In this video, we are going to pop this up, check out all of the features, and then make sure it goes back down just as easily. Let's go. Now, I will get a video of using this at the beach as soon as I can, but for today, I'm setting it up in my backyard where my dining table usually is. It comes in this great bag with a carry-on strap. You can put it over your shoulder as well. It's just long enough, which is good for me. And then it has a really nice zipper that does actually zip very cleanly as soon as you pull the handles out of the way. And then the bag itself actually has the instructions attached in it, so you'll never lose them. And along with the bag and the instructions, and of course the pop-up tent, it also does come with a few accessories. And those are sandbags, so you can just fill these up at the beach for weight. You have your ties, and I love how bright these are so people don't trip on them. That is actually really smart for setting up at the beach. And then you also have stakes. And as for the tent itself, it really is just a pop-up. I really do just have to let it go, and it pops up instantly. Now, this is a perfect size in my opinion, even though this is more of a two-person tent, especially if you're putting low seats in it. My family of four can definitely use this when we go on beach trips because we can all fit in it when needed, and in general, not everyone is in the tent. And what I love off the bat is that you have complete privacy. All the windows have latch covers, so you can completely make it private. Right now, obviously, it's only private from the sides and the back, but the entire front zips up as well. Let me show you. And now I am fully enclosed in the tent, so if I wanted to do a quick change on the beach, I have all of the privacy I need. And I'm really glad to see that the zippers are all working very cleanly. And this piece right here, what's really nice about it is you can spread it all the way out, and especially on the beach, hook it down with some of those stakes, and it will actually prevent more of the sand from tracking all the way into the tent, though I do find that this piece usually gets covered in sand. Now, when inside the tent, you do really have full sun protection, especially when you have the windows covered. It does have a couple pockets if you want them in the back, and it has a hook at the top. If need be, you could definitely use this for camping in a pinch. It would work for that as well. And then you'll see here that the window coverings really do latch up very easily. And when you don't have the window covered, you can keep it tightly rolled up so it's out of the way. Now, as for the exterior of the tent, it has these hooks around each corner, so that's where you can stake it down with the strings or use the sandbags. You can also just stake it at the base, and using the built-in sandbags is usually enough for me unless it's a really windy day. Overall, this is one fantastic beach tent, and I think my favorite part about it is how easy it is to pop open and pop closed. Let's put that to the test. Now, the instructions give you a full visual how-to on how to fold this tent back together. So we're gonna take the left and right sides and just push them together. They don't really want to go together, but they will. And then you're going to bend it down upon itself and then start pushing that top in until you start seeing those circles. And then really, you just fold those circles in on each other. And that's it. Now, it looks a little poofy because all of this is that excess, and you really can just tuck it in the edges, and then it will all go into the bag easily. I love how easy this is to pop open, how enjoyable it is on the inside, and how easy it is to pack back together. This is a really nice pop-up tent.